Okay, so good evening, everyone. My name is Akash. I'm one of the PAs for this course embedded system. So in this particular video, we'll actually be looking at how to install STM32CubeIDE, which we'll be using to code the STM program. So I have downloaded that particular installer file from STM's website. So this is the STM32CubeIDE. You can find it in the internet. Just type STM32CubeIDE. So it will redirect you to this particular website, official website. So what you have to do is basically first you have to create an account and log in, and then you just can go to the get software. So if you just click get software, so it will take you to this particular page. Over here, you will see that there are several installers out there based on Linux, Mac OS, Windows. So based on your operating system, just choose the latest version and then it will start downloading. And based on your internet speed, it might take some time because this file is around 1 GB. So it might take some time. So after you download that particular file, it will come within a zip file. You just unzip that file and then let us go to this particular file. Over here, I have unzipped it and you can see that install exe file, application file over here. So let's just start installing this. Okay, so now the installation process is now finished. So just press finish over here. And then you can see over here that STM32 cube ID has been, it is a shortcut file is here. So let's just open it. So for the first time launch, it might take some time. So this is the interface that you will get after opening this particular STM32 queue over here. And after that, we'll start coding the STM32 code over here based on this particular software itself. And we'll also see that how to program an STM32